Okay guys, I'm trying out the new interface to see where you are going. Let's do that. So what we have to do is just press the map icon here on the left bottom. Okay, and then it will scan and then it will direct us how to go and where to go. It even shows us some safety messages. Okay, to use this feature, once you have typed your destination, press start, and once it changed to this interface, you need to press the map button on the left bottom, and it will scan, show your phone around the area, and it will show the icons to navigate you in real time.